Earn 10 up to $50 in 1 hour. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can earn anywhere from 10 up to $50 in 1 hour. It's going to be an easy way to earn money online, so to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. But we save that for the end of this video, because here we want to have a look at how we can earn anywhere from 10 up to $50 an hour. So basically I'm going to show you, you don't need any previous experience. This is worldwide opportunity. They do pay out via PayPal also. So it's going to be an easy way actually to get started to earn some money online here. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. So I shared a few testing sites in the past, but this is actually a new site, at least for me, because I recently discovered it. And this is TestBirdscom. TestBirds.com. This is how it looks when you arrive to the site, and you can see here testing reality, real users, real devices, real impact. So TestBirds crowd testing and cloud-based solutions enables you to optimize your digital products and your customers' experience. Now this is actually targeting, of course, to the people that and the companies that arrive here and want to use TestBirds as a testing platform here. Let's scroll down a little bit to have a look here before we dive into what we are interested in, and that is of course to become a tester. You can see here real users. With TestBirds you gain access to over 400,000 crowd testers worldwide. Choose from more than 65 different demographic criteria to find your specific target group. Real devices, the more devices you have actually, the more chances to earn more money here also. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see here 900,000 devices with 400,000 testers online. And let's scroll down a little bit. What we test objects, you can see here anything from websites, wearables, mobile apps, games. Might be a new company that wants to test a new game before they launch it, and that is where you can come in, of course, and test that game, see if there is any bugs, for example, or if it is something that you can help them to improve. So that is how it works to become a tester. Now you can see here test and optimize your websites, ads, games, chatbots is also pretty new, and Internet of Things applications with the help of our innovative service. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit here, a little faster. You can see that they do have a lot of clients that have hired TestBirds here. They have been around since 2011 actually. I did a research earlier here also. So what we are interested in is become a tester. Let's have a look at here. As a TestBird, you will hunt for software bugs to make applications and websites more usable. Exactly as we said earlier here, earn money in your spare time, okay? You need to fill in all the details here, of course. Now, the reason why you should be a TestBird: earn money by telling us your opinion about software. The payments are proportional to the complexity of the task. For a regular usability test, you would earn around 20 euros or 15 pounds, for example. 20 euros is approximately around $22 US, so it's pretty close to 20 euros here also. So there's usually a fixed amount for your test, an additional payment for every bug defect you'll find there. So if you find more bugs, they definitely will pay you, of course, more. Flexible hours. When you invite to test, you see all the deadlines. It's up to you if you want to take part or not. You can choose to test during the daytime or at night at your convenience here. Now, the data privacy, your personal information is stored in a safe place. Our servers are in Germany, and one of the strictest countries in terms of data protection, which is actually true also. Your personal data will never be given to third parties. So the requirements, all you need is a device which allows you to go online. You're probably using one right now, a desktop or a mobile device, doing just fine. If you have an iPad, it's even better, so you will have to verify your devices there. There is a FAQ section, so we can have a look at that too. You can see here, why do I need to fill out my profile information completely? I think it's pretty obvious. I'm not going to even open it because of course they do need actually to have some information about you. So what is the procedure? I mean, this is pretty basic stuff, so you can have a look at this for yourself here. General questions, when will I get my next test? Well, it depends of course when it is available tests there, and if you are located at the right place there also. Now, how can I refer my friends as new testers? It's great that you want to help the community grow. You can use your personal tester referral link, so they do have a referral link here also, and you will actually be awarded for that, okay? So if I scroll down a little bit here, can I test? Let's see here, questions about the testing here. How do I report a bug? Basically, there is a lot of, you can see it is an organized site because they do have a lot of frequently asked questions here. Payments and legal stuff here also. How much am I going to earn at TestBirds? You can see here they have an entry test. It is actually rewarded with a welcome bonus of €5, so it should be around $5 here, okay? Usability test, you will receive a fixed payment for these kind of tests. A payout can be requested after your report has been approved by our bird masters. Depending on the complexity of the test, the payment could be €10, €50 or even more, which means actually in US dollars it is pretty similar amounts here, so that makes it $10 up to $50 or even more, okay? Bug tests, you can see here they pay you between €1 for low severity bugs and €5 for critical bugs there. So if you discover some critical bugs, you can definitely make more money with it. And you can see here how, let's see here, how am I going to receive? Now, they do have actually one option is you could go ahead via your bank account, or of course, which is the preferred method, PayPal here, which is definitely much easier. So to find out all the details, as I said earlier here, all you need is actually go ahead and have a look at the frequently asked questions. If I'm under 18, yes, we welcome testers of all ages. However, for legal reasons, we require that testers under the age of 18 have their parents' guardian complete and sign a consent form. So it is pretty unusual actually that you can be under 18 and go ahead and get started with it. So definitely, as I said, have a look at it, TestBirdscom. Make sure you go through the whole site here so you don't miss out on any important information here before you get started. Here, as I said earlier, TestBird was founded in 2011. So when I did my research, I found here credit goes to wealthinflator.com. You can see here how much does it pay. Exactly as I said, most tests pay between 10 and 40 euros, while professional testers earn $50 and above for more complex tests. Each test takes about 20 to 30 minutes to complete. So there you have it. As I said, there is also, I think I saw something else here. Yes, it was from Beer Money Forum. I'm using TestBirds for some weeks now. I finished that test, earned €5 with it, and I finished one more test that brought me 18 euro for around 1 hour of work here. Okay, so you can see it took 1 hour for this guy actually to make 18 euros, around $20 here. Alright, so have a look at it, TestBirdscom. Now, you're probably not going to get offers every single day here, so you're not going to get rich with this and many other testing sites. They are good to make some extra money online. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure you smash that like button below. I really appreciate it and it helps a lot. Make sure you subscribe to both my channels that you see at the end screen here. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon.